Hello everyone, welcome to FineReport tutorial lesson 7 on cell chart. So the basic idea for cell chart is chart that will be fixed inside one cell and will be organized and expanding according to different data table. Alright, so enter the FineReport, open new template. As always, first we're going to create our dataset. So today we're going to use DB query dataset, and the data table we're going to choose is sales volume. So next we're going to zoom in a little bit just to clearly see. And we're going to drag salesperson region, sales volume, this 3 data column to the cell, for example. And next, we're going to give the title and formatting it. So while we're doing that, let me introduce you about the cell chart that we're going to be making for the next step. So basically, we want to make a chart that will be organized inside this data table and also will expand through different regions. And for the idea cell chart, we want the x-axis have the salesperson, and also the y-axis will be different sales volume. So we're going to custom the frame, change the color, and also custom the frame style. Okay, so next we're going to give a background color for the title, just for recognize. Okay, so that's everything for the formatting. Let's save it first, since it's a new template. So let's call it cell chart. Alright, so next we're going to make our cell chart. So very first step, we're going to merge the cells by clicking here. So we're going to merge from D2 to G2 and also D1 to G1 to make a bigger space for our chart making. So next, I'm going to right click on here. On the second option, we'll have the cell element. Fifth option, we'll have the insert chart. So we click on here. So this is where you can actually insert your chart. And also we have the short key for insert chart as well. And we have our third option. On the menu, we have the insert, and the fifth option is also insert chart. So in here, we're going to select different type of chart we want to make. So we're going to use column chart for today's example. So the next step is to hit on data and define our data source. And also going to expand a little bit for the second row, just to see clear for the chart. So for the data resource, we're going to select cell data. And the category is going to be cell B2, since we want the axis become different salesperson. And let's custom the sales name for the next step. Sales volume. And also the value is going to be C2. So that's going to be our y-axis. So by far, we already defined the data for our chart. So next, we're going to keep editing the cell chart. On the cell element, we're going to select data setting, change from group to summary, because we want to show the total sales volume under each salesperson. So next, we're going to hit on cell attributes. On the expand section, we're going to change our chart left-hand cell from A1 to cell A2 region. So in this way, every time the region have a new data, such as North China, South China, the chart will expand through the different region. Alright, so next, go back to cell element. We're going to make our style look better. We're going to cancel the title and cancel the legend showing. Also, we want to use a label showing under our chart. So click on use label. So move on to axis. For the x-axis, we want to rotate the word a little bit, just for a better showing. And also gonna expand a little bit. Alright, so that's everything. Let's hit the preview. And that's gonna be the final result for the report we just made for cell chart. And as you can see, every chart under East China have the corresponding sales volume and salesperson, and also the same thing for North China. So that's everything for cell chart. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you next time.